It's just in my blood. That's all I ever wanted to do was milk cows. So.
And I wanted him, so it kind of just came with a package, kind of a package deal.
Oh, goodness.
We actually raise all of our heifers. It kind of started with not selling any heifers, and then they all kind of freshened at the same time. And our barn wasn't ready.
It was just a gradual growth. With the facilities we had to do something. I had got to where I was in the barn 16 hours a day. We had to either, get smaller or get bigger. But we had no infrastructure, period. So anything was better than what we had.
If it wasn't for Teresa.
Yeah. I actually just reached out to her originally to help with the holding pen. And then because I had traveled with her and she had showed me some other dairies, I was like, well, while we're doing this, could we do that? And like that dairy had
I thought we were just building a new milk barn and holding pen.
That was the plan originally.
That's what I thought we were doing.
And then it just snowballed. So it's like, while we're doing this, let's do it. I'm the happiest person in the world. The animals are happier and I'm happier.
Because the less time they're on the lot, the more time
they're eating
and making more milk and laying out. And I don't know, maybe we'll do a robot someday or something.
Oh yeah.
That's on my Christmas list.
I'm very open to that too, yes.